Guys, today I'm in this and this book person she is doing this thingy and nobody else is here, so I'm gonna start a party. I think I can't start a party anymore because I just did a party. Okay, so let's do party. Fashion party. Fashion party. If you win, I will give you some. Okay, and then let's start that. And let's see if more people come. And ooh, bro, you are getting fancy. Okay, so I already gave them a lot of my pets. Like I gave this other person Bree. She actually left. My ginger cat, and also gave her just like the human bubble and a lot of stuff. And then I also have Twitch, so you can just sit here. Ta-da! And if you have a flyable pet, you can just fly into the void. And then if you're stuck here and you don't know what to do, you just do exit home and then you go out. And then if if you sit here and then you have like something right here, you can sit there and then you'll be good. Ooh, somebody else. Oh my god, look at how many people. Look. Okay. I'm gonna give them my unicorn to see what that will give me. You know, I'm only trading my unicorn for a for a what's it called? An Arctic reindeer. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna say everyone please get on the runway. Everyone please get on the runway. I'll pick the winner. I'll pick the winner. Okay, so oh, she's right over there. Okay, so let's see her outfit. Okay. Okay, Brooke, okay. Okay, I think I know who the winner is. Yellow shirt, the heck? And she, okay, I know who the winner is. Okay. Summer wins. Okay, well, is that Summer? Wait, where is Summer? Summer, where are you? Where did Summer go? Wait, banana split. Oh, that's Summer. Okay, so let's see. Let's give her, definitely not it. I'm gonna give her this cracked egg. I'm sorry. My unicorn's only for something else. I'm just gonna put my unicorn away because, you know, I don't want people being like, oh my gosh, please, 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 I wanna play. Okay, so hold on. Okay, now I will choose the is who will be judged now. Now I will choose who will be judged. Okay, so okay. Summer is judge. Okay, Summer is judge. And now you can be judged after. Okay. Okay. Let's see what the category is. The category is. Okay, wait a minute. Category is. Come on, Summer, come on. Summertime scene. Okay, yeah, summer. So it gotta be in like summer. Let's see. I'm gonna get like a bun because like when in summer, like you need a bun because right here it's like super sweaty. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna take away this horrible face because I like summer. So let's do this right here. Okay, and then like a short sleeve, something like. Okay, here we go. That's good. And then shorts. Okay, and then these bunny ears gotta go. Like a beanie? No. A halo. Okay. We are rocking this look. Let's do about this. And here we go. My summer look. Okay. More summer. Summer already. Okay. So where did summer go? The heck? Summer! Summer! Where are you? Okay, there you are. Summer. Okay, so now everybody's in my family. Yes. So, gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get him a little dog. He has a starter egg. I feel so bad for him. Oh no, I'm not gonna give email. That's my friend. I cannot give that because I forgot to give it back to her. I'm so sorry, mister, but I cannot give you anything because this is not for trade, and this I can't trade it because it was for the 2020 event. And I'm gonna get this chocolate, and then I'm gonna give it to whoever. Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna eat it. I Okay, so she's picking the winner. Okay, and now everyone is begging. I'm just gonna say good job, yay, right now. Good job, yay. But then I'm not gonna say yeah. I'm going to. Okay, let's see. Wait, thank you. Okay, so Brooke, you can be judge. Brooke, you can be judge. Okay, so now Brooke is judge, and the next judge is... Oh, never mind. I don't know if she's gonna pick her. Oh, okay. Okay, now... Okay, so... I'm gonna say what's the category? What's the category? Oh my god. Wait, what's the category though? She didn't even tell us the category. Okay, maybe she's just gonna tell us, like, you know, the theme. Okay, here we go. I feel so bad for her little nose. Like, what happened? Hum. Okay. Thank you. Okay, what should I give if I'm the one? Okay, so she gave me a unicycle. I'm gonna put you away. Pink donuts. Okay. Well, that is a bit hard, but I know a purse that has a donut. Okay, if I win this round, I'm just gonna be like, bruh, why do you keep picking me? Okay, here's pink. This halo is going bye-bye. Search up donut. Okay. Okay, this is a pink donut. Should I do that? No, I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Okay, and then the outfit has got to be pink. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. But that's rainbow, not pink. Ooh. This is beautiful. Okay, now pink, pink, pink. Okay, here we go. We've got our pink look, and then I'm just gonna do this because everybody has that. Like, okay, let's see. Nope, I'm still at my color. Summer, are you done? Okay, yeah, that is summer. Good, good. I'm done too. I'm done too. Okay, so everyone is done. Now I will have to go on. Do I look like a little pink donut? I like my donut thing. Okay, what is it? Milk. 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 Yeah. I think he's kind of being Mike, but milk. Milk.